up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel on a very, very rainy day. Actually, it's pretty warm though, so I'm not complaining. Two real quick things before we actually get started on this upload. Number one, June 9th, Jackson Dragway, Jackson, Tennessee. I rented out the whole track, my second annual event. It's going to be awesome. Kind of a car show deal, drag racing, test and tune thing. It's real laid back. Make sure you're there. You're going to love it. Number two is the subscription. Link is always right down below for our patron page. Get tons of giveaways. Always pre-release all the content to that page first, and so you get to see it all first. Just a lot of cool stuff. Helps keep the lights on around here, so I would definitely appreciate it. Now, I have been alluding to the fact that there's something big coming out here at the shop, and a lot of you have already kind of guessed it, but yes, ladies and gentlemen, a new shop is on the way.
Well, I swear it's you and God, we've been down this road before.
So you see where I'm standing at. I'm actually out here behind the shop, and you see we got the gravel poured right here, and of course you caught when we were cutting the trees down out here. I don't know where the other spot is, but right here is going to be a brand new 40 by 48 shop. Now, obviously you're thinking, okay, 40 by 48, that's not huge, but we also have this shop, and so we've got a whole lot of plans going on. There's a couple reasons we're building the shop. Number one, we've been getting tons and tons of requests for people wanting to do builds. That's the first reason. So we're gonna go kind of hard and heavy with that, and start taking on builds. We've actually got 5 cars already in line to be out here, so that's the big thing. Okay, so the second reason, if you're a subscriber on our patron page, you know that once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be basically drawing a winner, coming to pick your car up and building your ride. Yes, that's right, that is happening. Now, to do that, because once we hit that 10,000, it's not going to be just like a one-time deal. Once we get done with that build, I'm going to draw another one and another one and another one. So we had to have a lot of space to make that happen. So that's the second reason for the shop. Now here's the thing. If you are wanting a build, you can email me below. Email is always in the description. Now, before you do that, you need to make sure that you're 100% serious, 100% committed, because I get on average probably 150 emails a day of people just wanting me to give them information and just wanting to talk, and unfortunately I just don't have time to do that. So if you are absolutely serious about having a car built, hit me up, and you know, and you're actually ready to pull the trigger. That's the other thing. Simply because when you're doing something like this, you're always going to get bombarded, and we just don't have time to, you know, just sit and chat about stuff as much as we like to. We just don't have time to sit and chat about it. You know, we've got a lot of bills to pay to get this shop up and going and all of that. So if you want to build, hit us up, and as always, it'll be documented right here on the channel and across the my Facebook and Instagram pages, stuff like that. So it'll be super cool, just like when we did Scott's build. Okay guys, so like I was saying, as far as the shop goes, essentially this side right here is going to be part storage and probably car storage, and then over here in this bay, this is going to be totally converted into a paint and body shop. Basically a big paint booth where we're going to do all the engine bays and basically anything else. And we actually do have a guy here locally that does really good paint work that we can bring in to handle some of that stuff, because as you can tell, I am not a body guy. Jeremy is not a body guy, but we play one on TV. No, I'm just kidding. So lots of very, very cool stuff happening, and at this point we have no less than 6 cars lined up, ready to come in the shop just as soon as it's actually built. But the problem is it hasn't stopped raining long enough for anything to actually happen, so we're just basically waiting on that. As soon as the shop is up, we're going to be going full bore. I promise you're going to see a whole shit ton of badass builds. I'm excited. Yeah. So that is pretty much what I've got for you guys. Like I said, this is going to be absolutely insane once this shop is built. I am so freaking pumped about doing this, and trust me when I say it is going to be huge, and we're probably going to have to build another shop after that behind it. So looking forward to that. I've also got some ideas about maybe a dyno and all this other stuff, but I'm always thinking like 10 years ahead. But yeah, that's pretty much where we're going with this. It's going to be huge. We're going to do some sick builds, and it's not just coyote swaps. It's basically anything. If you want your suspension done, want your engine bay smooth, new engine trans, whatever you want done, we're going to be able to handle that. And it's not going to be just Fox body. Hell, it may not even be all Mustangs. Basically anything you want done in the area or not in the area, we can handle it. So super pumped about it. Looking forward to it. It's going to be awesome. But in the meantime, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Link below for our Patreon page. Definitely could use your support. And yeah, check back with us very soon. Get this shop built.